Hi, I'm Tim Koviak, licensed loan officer. Help first-time homebuyers and homebuyers build equity and wealth through home ownership. Today on this video, we're going to talk about Choice Media, and we're going to review them, and I'm going to let you know who they are, what they do, and should you use Choice Media. Okay, so Choice Media is an advertising company and a marketing agency. So what they do is they run ads for Facebook and Google. And as you see, I'm on their website here, and I'll put their website in the link below. So this is what they do, and they talk about like their average cost, return on investment. They have a really nice website, and they list the prices on their website. Now, most marketing agencies do not list their prices, so that's a huge plus. I like that they list their prices because you want to know how much it's going to cost. Most marketing agencies, when you want them to run ads for you to get you leads or phone calls, whatever your campaign objective is, they don't really put your prices on there. And that makes sense because every project could be a little different. So depending on the work and depending if you have a website or not, it's hard for them to put prices on there. But if a company's straightforward with their prices, I like that because I can really be an informed consumer. Now, Choice Media contacted me. They cold called me, and I was on the phone with the sales representative. And then after I told the sales representative I was kind of interested, they transferred me over to the ad specialist. And the ad specialist was saying that they could get me some leads and some traffic for $400 a month. Now, I've been running my own Google ads, and I love Google ads, and that's going to be another video. I'm going to talk about Google ads. But I knew when I was talking to the search ad person that $400 a month. Now, remember, if it's $400 a month and a $95 setup fee, I was like, how much of that is going towards your ads? And that's a good question when you decide to do a marketing agency. Ask them how much money goes towards the ads, which is going to generate the ads that will go towards Google or Facebook, because they actually the ones doing the ad, and they both do kind of like a pay per click. So more people click on your ad, the more they charge you. But I knew that $400 seemed a little low. But they told me that out of the $400, 70% goes towards the ads and 30% goes to them. So I took $400 and I divided it by 0.70 on my calculator here. And out of $400, $288 is going to go towards Google. And I knew that going $288, that's only a week and a half at Google, especially if you're looking for mortgages. Now, if you're in another industry, maybe. But when you already have ran Google ads, you know how much it costs because different industries have different costs per click. So I had an issue with that because I knew I wasn't going to get any traffic. And I was telling her, man, I'll probably have to spend $600 to $800. But I did some research. So I went on their Google page and I started looking at their reviews. And that's what you should do too. Before you sign up for any marketing agency, ask them or do your research. Just throw them in Google. And if they don't have a Google page, then that's a red flag. If they don't have any testimonies, that's a red flag. And I don't think they have any testimonies here on their site. They probably do, but they're probably fake. No, there's no testimonies. But I found them on their Google page, and this was 1 star, 1 star, a month ago, 1 star, 2 weeks ago, 1 star. And then I even went to their Better Business Bureau. Now, I like the Better Business Bureau because it tells them that they're a legit business. So they're in business, but everyone's saying they're a scam. They didn't run the ads. So I do not recommend Choice Media. Number one, because of my experience, they're going to take this $400 and give you hardly no results. You're not going to get any results, but they're going to keep the $400, but they'll run your ads, but you ain't going to get any clicks because your budget too low. And that's what people are complaining about. So it looked like they're just in business to just take $400 from you and give you no results. And then one guy even put a screenshot here on his thing, and he got 24 clicks, 24 clicks. You ain't going to get any money with 24 clicks. So do I recommend Choice Media? No. And you got to be very, very conscious of all these marketing agencies. It is very, very easy to make a marketing agency. It doesn't cost anything. All you need is a computer and find a client to pay you some money. So most marketing agencies do suck. So be very wary. And here's the problem. You're kind of in a catch-22. The marketing agencies that are good, that do a good job, can get you results, they want at least $1,000 a month. And then the ones that are $400 that are cheap, they get you hardly no results, but they're cheap and it's very low risk. So that's the problem we're in. And you got to do a lot of research, a lot of digging before you hand over your credit card, before you sign anything. So I do not recommend Choice Media. Beware, this is not a good company based on what I've seen with the reviews. So beware, do not sign up with them because you're not going to get any results. And $400 might work on Facebook, but not on Google. And they should know that, and they should be correcting that. They also should be responding to these people that with these negative reviews and make it right. In my business, I'm all about the customer. How can I make the customer happy? How can I make them satisfied? How can I take great care of them, give them amazing mortgage experience? But many companies, they don't care. They just want to make a quick buck and then they're out. That's just the way it is. So I don't recommend them. Be wary of them. And I hope you see this video if they called you or reach out to you. All right. Well, thanks so much for watching. Comment below. Let me know what you think. And I'll see you again on the next video. Thanks.